Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix account not in this store issue on your Apple device. So guys, if you are also facing this issue and you are unable to fix it, here I will show you how can you easily fix it. So guys, as you can see, this your account is not valid for use in the US store. You must switch to the Indian store before purchasing. So guys, if you are making some purchases but you are unable to do this, you have to simply change your country or region, which means you must switch to the Indian store before purchasing. So guys, you have to simply change your setting or country region according to your billing or payment method information. So guys, you have to simply switch to Indian store before purchasing. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open settings on your device, and then go to your profile, go to media and purchases, tap on view account, and from here go to country or region. And if it is on United States, then you have to simply check this to Indian, which is mentioned in the error. So guys, you have to simply change your country or region as India, and after this you have to simply go back, and now you will be able to make purchases very easily. So guys, in this way you can also fix this error or problem on your Apple device as well. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.